Just painting something. So let me show you guys. Sorry. Okay. Yes, ma'am. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, if you want painting, guys, just go here. Pinayagan naman ako mag-video. Basta bumili kayo, guys. Bumili. Siya nag-painting lahat nito. So, Pero syempre, nag-ask muna ako ng permission before that. So, yes. This something look unique.